Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying you're on X-Hunt account and subscription so downloads aren't blocked. Next, free up at least 3 gigabytes and plug in a power source. Offline maps can be large. Once done, enable device location and grant the app storage and GPS permissions so tiles save correctly. Open on X, sign in if needed, and switch to the Maps tab. Tap the Download or Offline Area tool to begin selecting the tile area you want. This begins the first actionable step. You now choose which layers to include: topo, satellite, ownership, or boundaries, because each adds file size but provides value offline. After selecting layers, draw or pick tile grids over priority hunting zones. Check the indicated MB or GB so you don't exceed storage. Once satisfied, start the download on Wi-Fi to avoid mobile data charges. Monitor progress in the Offline Maps section. You can pause, resume, or remove tiles. Make sure to label saved maps for quick retrieval in the field. Before heading out, test that the offline map loads with airplane mode engaged so you know it works without signal. Sync or export waypoints, tracks, and routes to cloud or SD card as a backup. This prevents data loss. In the field, use the saved maps and confirm GPS lock. If you lose map tiles or see blank areas, clear the app cache, delete the problematic tile, then re-download it on Wi-Fi. Also check for app updates. Updating often resolves compatibility and download errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.